Hi สวัสดีค่ะ everyone My name is Ko I'm the owner at Isaan the Thai restaurant in Toronto
Isaan Thai Kitchen, located on Yonge Street just north of Davisville Ave in Toronto, is decorated using elements of traditional Isaan Thai culture. The restaurant offers a casual dining room, patio, and takeout. Each dish is prepared from scratch using fresh produce and imported Thai ingredients such as sauces, curry paste, Thai riceberry rice, and Thai hom mali rice. Recommended dishes include pad Thai made with tamarind and fresh noodles, as well as cashew chicken. You can also try plat tod, khao soy, or pineapple fried rice. The Thai Select certification is awarded by the Royal Thai government to recognize that Isaan is committed to serving authentic Thai food using proper ingredients and traditional cooking techniques. For more information about Thai Select, please visit thaiselect.ca.
Give us a chance to try the authentic Thai food at Isaan You never disappointed because we are the authentic one and we cook individual it only for you